This is the RIGOL DHO800 series oscilloscope. It features a compact small form factor design, making it a great portable unit. Here it is compared to a B5 notebook for scale. It measures less than 10 centimeters thick and weighs just 1.78 kilograms, making it easy to carry and even use as a handheld scope when needed. This particular model, the DHO804, has a bandwidth of 70 megahertz, a sampling rate of 1.25 gigasamples per second, and a 12-bit resolution. On the front here, we have a 7-inch touchscreen display and 4 input channels. Around the back, there's a 100 by 100 millimeter VESA mounting interface. We also have USB LAN and HDMI connections, along with a standard USB-C power input. One of the big advantages of USB-C power is that you can run the oscilloscope from a compatible USB power bank, removing that pesky mains ground connection. The interface on this model feels fast and smooth, with very responsive touchscreen controls. And if you ever need to use the scope away from your workshop or bench, you can simply power it from a USB power bank. To view the product information, tap the Start button in the bottom left corner, navigate to Utility, and select About. Here, you'll find the information for this particular unit. The oscilloscope also comes with a wide range of measurement functions, including measure, histogram, cursors, reference, and record, giving engineers plenty of tools for different measurement and analysis tasks. Now, let's connect a probe and attach the other end to the built-in self-test signal. Notice how we can use a touchscreen to quickly zoom in and out on the waveform. The controls are responsive and the overall experience feels fast and smooth.